Welcome to the Firangi kitchen. Today I am preparing chicken stroganoff, a delicious recipe you can serve with rice, pasta or bread. Anything. Options are endless. Let's get to the recipe. For that we need medium size deboned chicken breast. Let's cut them into thin strips. Take one big bowl, add half cup of all-purpose flour. Now put all chicken strips into the bowl. Coat them well. Make sure all strips are totally covered. Heat the non-stick pan with some oil. Stir fry it until it turns golden brown. Put them aside for later use. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil. Heat the oil in medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Let them cook for a while. Then add half cup of sliced onion. Cook it until onion gets translucent. Add half cup of sliced carrot. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add half cup of chopped mushroom. Mushrooms are going to add an earthy flavor into the dish. Cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Then add 1 cup of boiled water or vegetable stock. When it starts bubbling, add 1 tablespoon of crushed black pepper. Now add salt as per your taste. Mix it well. Now add all the stir-fried chicken strips. Now it's time to add 4 tablespoons of fresh cream, or you can add some full cream milk. Now cook it until the gravy gets thickened. Our chicken stroganoff is ready to be served. Please subscribe us for more recipe updates. If you liked our video, please don't forget to press the like button. It motivates us to serve you better.